Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new or just passing by, welcome to you as well. Today's video is going to be a video on what is in my toiletry, my Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26 and 19. I just thought I'd share it with you, kind of do a little chit chat along the way. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So here they are. I have been carrying these both with me every day in my Artsy. And I do have a video on what's in my Artsy. I'll link it up above if you're interested. I am so happy I got both of these. I do want the trifecta, so hopefully one day I will be able to find a 15. But for now, I'm just loving these. I have used them on, I haven't used the big one on vacation, but I have used this one on vacation and it was wonderful. I'm just going to show you what I keep in here on a daily basis. I have been moving around a lot, not moving houses or anything like that, but traveling for work, so it's been nice to have all my essentials with me. So let me show you. I'm going to show you just an overview. This one, the big one, has most of my makeup for the day, and then this one has all of my lips because for some reason I feel like I need to carry all my lip glosses with me and lipsticks with me every day. I don't know, I just like it. So there's a look inside, a little peek. It's not even anywhere near full to the top. And I do have some extra stuff. I have some hair ties or some bobby pins in here. I have some cleansing oil from Bobbi Brown, but I just wanted to show you guys what I have in here. I love watching these kind of videos. So I'm gonna go through the 19 first. This guy is amazing. I know a lot of people have this one because it fits in most bags. So yeah, I do want to chit chat with you a little bit too, just kind of give you an update on what's been going on in my life if you're interested. So this one is a Chanel, this is the Rouge Coco Balm. It's just like a chapstick. Love this to just throw on, just to hydrate your lips. I've got some more lip glosses down in here. This is the Rouge Allure Gloss 15. I think this one is, yeah, Sensible. This is one of the ones that like, there's the top, it pops out and you pull it out that way. So I have started a new project at work and I've been traveling a lot more. If you've watched any of my videos before, I've told you guys that I do work from home. So it's kind of been an interesting challenge and I've been enjoying it to the fullest. Being out and about and going into some offices. So I'm really enjoying what I'm doing right now. But it has been a challenge to figure out my YouTube schedule along with being away from home so much. And not just that, it's I'm traveling to like different counties sometimes. So, you know, it's not always consistent that I'm in the area, in my home location. You know, I have a drive time sometimes. So yeah, I just wanted to update with you with that, so you know if you don't see me for a few days, that's why. I'm not leaving YouTube. I have no plans on stopping videos. I love doing these videos. I am so grateful for all of you, but I'm just a little trying to figure out my routine with my new work schedule. So this 19, you guys, I have my Patrick Star. This is Mama Star. I think this is the only loose lip gloss you could get from his Patrick Star X MAC collection. I love it. It's like a great nude. I've got another Rouge Coco. This is the Shine. I don't know if I showed you guys this one. This is a really pretty like Barbie pink. Let me tell you the number on this one. And it's really sheer. It's not as pink as this. Mighty. Love that. This is so funny, guys. I just found this old school Dior, but look at it, still looks cute. This is the color. This is the Ultra Gloss in 577. I don't even know if they make this anymore. I've had this for years. So still a bunch to go. I don't know how this happened, but I have two of the Rouge Coco Shine in 116 Mighty. I have no idea how that happened. I don't even remember ordering it twice, but I do. I also have the Rouge Allure in 168. This is another one of the little pop-ups. I love this. It's a duo ended, like this side is matte, this side is the Shine, and this is Tender Beige. I have just a little sample. This is a sample of their mascara. I have a YSL lip in number 9. This is the sheer. I have another YSL lip in 48, another sheer. I have my 804 Rouge Cocoa Gloss. Then down in there, I just have some extra stuff. Oh, there's another lip. This is YSL in the shade 2. This is the Shine, but it's sheerish. I am obsessed with this micro liquid essence from Chanel. It's from their Hydra Beauty line, and it's got little bursts of essence in there, little beads. It feels amazing on your skin. I also have a little Bobbi Brown lotion, face lotion, some Shout to Go, some glasses wipes, an old Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pencil. This is my purse hook. I have a Bobbi Brown concealer palette and a pen. So I think there's still like, yeah, a bobby pin and a band-aid down in there. But I just loved watching these videos, so yeah, I keep most of my lips products with me. And I like keeping them all in here because it is easier to find, I feel like, than digging through my entire 26 size bag. It's easier for me to find. I can't believe I ended up with 2 of these. I don't know how that happened. So there's what it looks like with all the glosses in there. Let's move on. So here's the 26, my big baby. I love this. I've used it as a clutch and I absolutely love it. It's just so cute. It's a great size. Let me show you down in there. A bunch of stuff floating around. First thing I have is my Dior It Lash mascara. I really love this mascara. The only problem I have is trying to get it off. It is very hard to get off. I do have oil, like normally I'll use this. I have the full size of the Bobbi Brown cleansing oil, and even with that it's hard to get off. So, but it does smudge up here on me, which I always have a problem with that. I don't have super long lashes, but I always get smudging. So I like it, but I would say for the hot summer months, maybe not the best if you have long lashes. I have my Chanel La Creme Mane. I love this hand cream. It is just amazing. It makes your skin so soft. Let me show this up here so you can have some eye candy while I'm pulling this stuff out. This is my Chanel Le Beige Deep Eyeshadow Palette. Let me pop it open really quick to show you guys. It's so gorgeous. I use this every single day. The colors are just gorgeous. They're perfect neutral colors. So still got some more in here. This is my Chanel Poudre Lumiere. This is a highlighting powder. I have it in the number 20 Warm Gold. It comes with a brush. And then let me show you this gorgeousness. It is just such a good highlighting bronzer. I use that pretty much every day too. I love these. These 3 are my main. Let me show you the other one I've got. This one, the eyeshadow, and then my Le Beige Healthy Glow Sheer Color are my summer go-to right now. Like, this is all I'm putting on my face, other than like eyebrows and mascara and stuff. Let me show you what this one looks like. I have this one in, there's the color. It's really sheer though. Like, it doesn't, you can still see my freckles through. I love it, love it, love it. I have it in the shade 40. This is the number 40, but like for winter, I'll definitely need the 30. So there's another view of inside. I have my Coco Mademoiselle spray perfume, travel size. Love this. This is like my signature fragrance now. A Bobbi Brown foundation stick. I have it in the number 4 natural. A Bath and Body Works Copacabana Coconut Antibacterial. I love carrying antibacterial because I'm kind of a germaphobe. We're getting down there. I do have my Fashion File nail file in there just in case I need that. A little thing of Tylenol. I meant to take this out. This is the Sublimage little sample I got. I love that cleanser. I also have some more of this Micro Essence. I take this with me, these little samples, because if I forget to put it on in the morning, I need it. It hydrates my skin so well. A Bobbi Brown. This is my eyebrow gel. I love this Bobbi Brown eyebrow gel. It's like waterproof. It's amazing. And then I just have some Lift samples. This is a LeBlanc serum. Just some samples that I keep down in here in case I forget to put, or I don't have time to put face lotion on in the morning. I have a bunch of little samples. And then I have a random piece of gum. A quarter down in there, yeah. And then I carry this with me. This usually goes in my mini pochette. I'm going to put it back in there. It's a little faith stone. It was my aunt's that passed away, my great aunt, so I carry that with me as well. And then the last two things are my Chanel waterproof brow pencil. This thing is amazing. Let me show you. And my Chanel eyeliner. I love this as well. I have the eyeliner in, I think, 867. It's not like the full black. It's like a really dark brown. So, whoops, I'm dropping stuff. So there is the empty toiletry. And let me go ahead and show you this eyebrow pencil. If you haven't seen my video on it, it has a wonderfully big spoolie on one side. And on this side, it is a twist up crayon kind of. It's so, the angle is perfect. It helps you do your brows so wonderfully, and it's quick and easy and on the go. Like I said, I've been all over lately and I don't necessarily leave myself enough time to do my makeup at home. So this has been wonderful to have all these pieces with me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I want to say thank you. I just hit 800 subscribers, you guys, and I'm so ecstatic and thrilled. I want to say thank you all so much. I am going to be doing a giveaway. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I thought I'd throw this out there again. I am doing a giveaway. It will be a small leather good. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. This is Kylie. Bye.